All right, so now let's talk about how to find the volume. So once you know the different shapes, then you know the what formula to use. So for prisms, you will always see volume equals a capital B. I should have used a different color, sorry. So volume equals a capital B times the height. The B stands for area of base. That's why we had to review area before. Of course, you don't know how to find the area of a pentagon yet. We will be covering that soon. But for anything else, it's always area of the base times the height. And the way to think about that is if I have this, sorry, I keep not deciding which one I want. So if I have this rectangular prism, and I say that there are however many things along in here, you can kind of see where I drew. So you have to know what the area of this bottom layer is, and then you have to multiply it by how much is it, like how many layers there would be. So it's area of the base times h, which is the height. No matter how these are turned, so even if I have it like this is not considered the base. The base is always that unique shape. So this one is still a pentagon because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 sides. 5 sides is a pentagon. So I'd have to find the area of my pentagon, and then I would multiply by the height. And then a cylinder is the same thing. It's just the shape of the base is a circle. So you would have to find the area of a circle, and then you would find the times the height. When you take standardized tests, it says, like, so for the one for the NM-PED, it says general prisms. So for any prism, this is the formula they give. For cylinder, they are a little nice, and they give you pi r squared times height. If you go back to the last video, you'll remember that pi r squared is how you find the area of a cylinder. So again, it's still the same thing. Whatever formula you have to use to find the area, you find the area, and then you're going to multiply it by the height. This is how you find area of a circle, and then you have to multiply it by the height. So if I said the area of the base was 25 centimeters squared, and I want you to find the volume, and I said that the height was 10 centimeters. Then I would say, I would again use the volume formula. So volume is equal to area of the base times the height. Since it already gave me the area of the base, I just plug it in. So I would do 25 times 10. 25 times 10 is 250. You can use a calculator if you don't believe me. Oh, bet you can't see it. So 250 would be my volume.